before reading indexing, I was feeling that the indexing was very hard. But right now, after reading and after getting an idea, I can tell you it's a really easy thing if you understand it. So first, compound nesting, simple nesting, there's a couple of plate that is starting off with 15, 6, 70, 16, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Plate number 1. Then 21, 23. When 3, there is a 4 increment that is 27, 29, 31, 33. And starting off with 37 of age, 37, 39, 41, 43, 3, 4 increment. So 47, 49. That's how we're getting. So ICM equal to 40 by n, 40 by number of 30. So we are getting 1 by 3. Now we have to get that correct plate. So how we would do it? This 6, first plate we can call it 6, and 18. 18 is the plate that we are having now. So crank 1, 6 space. So this is the space number of rotation, 6 space in 18 hole. And this is 5 space in 15 hole. Okay. These are the things you know. And then ICM equal to 40 by 277. Impossible to index. Now here is question. So how we are indexing this part we have to see. So there is a 269 we put down it. So how do we 69? So we're taking a two random holes. So it's a 27, 20, 33. We can take any but in a single plate like 21, 23, 27, 23, anything but in a particular plate, whether you can take it from plate 1 or plate 2 or anything. Okay, so suppose the first thing that you have to take the plate and they have to make the division, that is 69 equal to 3 into 23 we are doing it. And then the 27 and 20 33, the plates we are taking, we are just subtracting the value, and that is coming 6. We are just making this and putting it here above this line. And 16 also above 59, and 40 we are just making, and then 22 into these things. And the main factor that it plays role that for the right plate to have here, so everything here has to be demonized, or everything has to be removed. So 23 is here, so we can't use this plate. Then we are taking what plate? You see, we are taking 23 33 plate. In a plate, single plate, 23 33 index plate. So the difference is 10, that is 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 3 into 23, 23. So you can see everything is removing, and the rest these are left here. So this is a formula 40 by n1, 40 by n1, that is the speed, and n2. N1 is 23 plate and it is 33. And n1, the rest that have left, 2 into 2 into 1 into 1, so 40 by 40. So 1 revolution and 21 plate. So 1 revolution and 21 space in 23 holes. Now differential interlacing, doing compounding interlacing in an automatic differential machine. So 0, 4, 2, 6 for the same direction. So how do we do it? So 40 by, so suppose you have to do 277. So 40 by a, we are taking 40 by 277, and then theta equal to 360 by 277. Okay, that is important. Now the thing is that we can take a value that can be a greater than 277 or less than 277, a whole number, that is 270 or 280, whatever we are taking. Here 280 if we take, then a is particularly greater than that, and if we take 270, that is less than. So ICM equal to 40 by 2, that is 1 by 7. We can multiply, so then we get the correct space in the plate. So there is 21 space available in plate 2. So 21 by 30. So in 21 plate there is a 3 rotation, 3 space. So it is greater than this thing. And also same way we are taking this value, but it is less than. Okay, then gear ratio we can take it, and if we get the gear ratio, then this is the value. So what will happen? The crank plate should rotate in the same direction, but when it coming as negative, the crank plate should rotate in the opposite direction. That's all about the indexing, that you are thinking that it's very difficult, but it's actually a very simple process. But you need to have the idea that whether how things have been working out. Without it, it really feels like, yeah, this thing. But if you calm your mind down and just read and try to understand those things, it's very simple.